Hey, hello, welcome to Science Show Chorus. So, now I say cats are considered as liquids and human saliva can be used as a cleaning agent for dirty surfaces. Yeah, you must be thinking, what this fellow has become mad, or why he's speaking these kind of strange things. Yes, these are some of the crazy discoveries for which they have got Ig Nobel Prize. Yeah, you might be wondering what is this Ig Nobel Prize, right? So we are going to watch in this video. Let's begin. The Ig Nobel Prize honors the achievements that make people laugh and think. Yes, so this prize is given to the people who make some crazy and unusual discoveries or inventions. So this Ig Nobel Prize has been started by the magazine called Annals of the Improbable Research in America, and this has been given to the people since 1991. So every year in the month of September, this Ig Nobel Prize ceremony happens in Sanders Theater in Harvard's University. So this Ig Nobel Prize ceremony is totally unusual and it is crazy. It is just opposite to the Nobel Prize ceremony, where this ceremony is totally informal, right? And when it comes to the nomination process, even you can nominate. Even if you have some crazy inventions or discoveries with logical evidence with you, even you can nominate yourself. The next thing is about the selection process, where there is a Ig Nobel Board of Governors, which consists of the previous year Ig Nobel Prize winners and even Nobel Prize winners, and like the public officials, writers, so many people, right? And the very interesting thing is that this Ig Nobel Prize will be awarded to the winners by the Nobel laureates of the previous year. Fine. And when it comes to fields for which this Ig Nobel Prize is being given, there is no restrictions like Nobel Prize, right? Now, in this case, when it comes to Ig Nobel Prize, there are various fields, but each year they give 10 Ig Nobel Prizes to 10 different people. Fine. And it may be like medicine and biology, anatomy, physics, chemistry, then psychology, economics, peace, perception. So there is no restriction. They have got lots and lots of fields for which they are distributing this Ig Nobel Prize. Now let us see some of the crazy inventions and the discoveries for which they have got the Ig Nobel Prize. So 2019, in the field of chemistry, they have got this prize for estimating the amount of saliva produced per day by a typical 5-year-old child. Yes, they have done this and they have got the Ig Nobel Prize. Now, the same year 2019, in the field of economics, what they have done is they have tested which country's paper money is transmitting the dangerous bacteria at the best. So by collecting the different paper monies of different countries, they have done this and they have got this Ig Nobel Prize. And in the field of peace, the same year 2019, they have tried to measure the pleasurability of scratching an itch. I'm sure this is very strange, but still they have done that. They have evidence for that and they have got this Ig Nobel Prize. And in 2018, in the field of chemistry, they have found that human saliva can be used as a cleaning agent for the dirty surfaces. And in the same year, in the field of peace, they have found that, and like they have tried to measure the frequency, motivation and the effort while they are shouting and cursing someone when they are driving an automobile. So they have tried this and they have got the prize for this. And in 2017, in the field of physics, particularly taking into consideration the concept of fluid dynamics, there was a scientist who probed a question: can cats be both a solid and as well as a liquid? So why did he do this? Actually, his explanation was that since liquid has a property of taking the shape of a container, the same thing cats too do that. So wherever it goes and sleeps, it just take the shape of that particular place. So by taking into consideration that particular property, he was explaining in that way. In 2017, in the field of economics, a group of people have experimented how contact with a live crocodile will affect a person's willingness to gamble a lot. So this was a crazy research for which they have got a Ig Nobel Prize. And in the same year 2017, in the field of fluid dynamics, a scientist has studied the dynamics of liquid sloshing to learn what happens if you walk backwards while carrying a cup of coffee. So this was a very unusual research done by that particular scientist, and for which he has got the Ig Nobel Prize. And in the year of 2016, in the field of perception, a scientist from Japan has investigated whether the things look different when you bend over and view them between your legs. This was a very crazy thing which he has done, and he has evidence for that, and he has got this Ig Nobel Prize. So now, whatever the crazy and unusual discoveries and inventions which I have listed down, you may feel that this is not possible. That's not true. So for your reference and for your clarifications, I am going to give the reference material of all the discoveries and inventions which I have listed down in the description. So you can click that link and you can read out the research and you can read out the evidence for which they have got the Ig Nobel Prize. Fine. So isn't it very much interesting? Like you're getting an international award for these crazy, strange and unusual things. Yes. So even you too can get an Ig Nobel Prize. Start exploring the nature. Think in a crazy manner. So start doing your crazy research very soon. So hope this video is very informative to you. Please do share with your friends, and if you like this video, please do like, and at last please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.